Welcome back to CDAcomputer.tips. My name is Christopher Duncan, and today we're going to talk about how to password protect parts of a Microsoft Excel document. The last tip I gave you was on how to protect parts of a Microsoft Word document, and before that we talked about how to password encrypt an Office document in general. In this tip, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing in Microsoft Excel. The example I've got open on screen has got two cell ranges, C12 through 017 and C31 through 034, that we want people to be able to enter content into. The trick is to only allow people to enter content into those cells. Now, Excel has a feature whereby all cells are considered locked when the document is created. You only have to add a password to prevent people from editing the content. So the first thing you have to do is undo that feature. Now, to get started, we're going to select the first set of cells that we want people to be able to edit. So I'll click my mouse here in the C13 cell, and now I'm going to hold down the Shift key and click in 017. So the Shift key is like the rubber band key. It's going to snap and select everything in between. I'll scroll down. I want to add this selection down here starting in C31, but I can't use the Shift key because that will select everything in between. Instead, I'm going to hold down the Control key and click on C31. Now that I've done that, I'll hold down the Shift key and click on 034. As you can see, I've got my two sections that I want to be editable selected. So how do I turn on the password feature for these cells? The first thing I'm going to do is go to the Home tab, the Cells group, and click on the Format button. And from the drop down, I'm going to come all the way to the bottom and click on Format Cells. Here in the Format Cells dialog box, I'm going to click on the Protection tab. And you can see what I was talking about earlier. It already has a check mark beside Locked. Go ahead and uncheck Locked. And then click on OK. So that part is done. Let's go to the Review tab now. And here on the Review tab, in the Changes group, click on the Protect Sheet button. And this opens up the Protect Sheet dialog box, and I'm just going to enter in my password. The important thing here is that in the section below, Allow all users of this worksheet to, make sure you uncheck Select Locked Cells. Go ahead and click on OK, and the Confirm Password dialog is going to ask you to re-enter the same password. Click on OK again. And now what you'll find is you can't even click in any of these other cells, but I can certainly click here in one of my unlocked cells and type in a number. If for any reason you want to go back and edit the other parts of the worksheet, just follow these simple steps to take the password protection off. On the Review tab again in the Changes group, click on the button that now says Unprotect Sheet, type your password, and press OK. And now you can see you can highlight any section of the document. Just remember, if you later want to redistribute your file, you'll need to reprotect it again. And as always, with all passwords in Microsoft Office, make sure you remember the password that you're using. That's it for today. Have a great week, everybody.